No. Stay the f there. Oh, stand up. Mexican stand up. Who gives way to whom? Oh, there's the rest. It's a one-way street, so. Didn't even look. Did you even see me? Stall. Wait. What's fucking wrong with you? Jeez, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's a box, man. No, you look. I'll go do the I'll do 40 hours a week. You have no rear lights, huh? You have no lights on the back.
No lights in the back.
No lights at all. It's dangerous. No. Okay? No problem. Don't cross there. No, there's a crossing there. Come on. Come on, really? Look at how big the cock. You know. What the f*** are you doing? No, I'm going to wait to see what he does. But I don't know if the other cars are going to do it. Seriously? Really?